63rd Street, Pizza 21. Signal 4, 1033.
Alright, he's on foot. He's reaching in his pocket. He's heading back towards the vehicle. He black hat, jeans, white shirt. He's in his pocket, man.
10-4, subject reaching in his pocket.
Get to the ground now! Get to the ground!
441 and 63rd Street, Northwest.
2628 up to 97, which way would you drive?
Get to the ground now!
Running back towards the vehicle.
Is endangering the law-abiding citizens of Marion County. Is individuals like this who run and flee. We don't make them do it. They choose to do it. But I promise you this, that if you commit a crime, I will, my deputies will hunt you down relentlessly to ensure that you're put in handcuffs and put in jail.
Silver Nissan Z155QM. We're going to be at 2800 block Southeast 7th Ave.
26.
Update, we're going to be at the 600 block Southeast 28th place.
10-4, 600 block, Southeast 28th place.
1031 on foot, black male.
Come on, buddy, come on!
10-4, 1031 on foot, station will be 1033.
1031 on foot, black male.
Come on, buddy, come on! Come on! We're gonna be running behind condos, black male, black shirt, red shorts. Hey, I'm gonna catch you! Hey, you might as well stop, bro! Stop! You wanna get tased? You wanna get tased? Running into the wood line, black male. Gonna be near some railroad tracks. Put your hands behind your back. You lay down on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Both hands behind your back, real simple. 10-12, we're gonna be behind the condos. Black male detained.
10-12, behind condos, black male detained. Station still 1033.
Why are you running, man? Come on. You have any weapons, have your guns on you? Why are you running, bro? Come on, talk to me. I'm trying to help you out. Why are you running? Huh? Why are you running? Come on. Marion, go ahead and clear it.